Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings and then we have to click on the Google option that is at the bottom of the settings. Now here we have to open all services, search assistant and voice, and Google Assistant. Here in the Google Assistant settings we have to scroll down to the general option, where all we have to do is just click on this icon right here. Then we have to click turn on, and that's it. That's how you disable your Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!